Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do my top 5 favorite braiding hair hacks that I use all the time. Now some of these braids might look complicated or time consuming to do, but you don't have to be a braiding wizard to do these because I'm going to show you the cheap version which doesn't take much time or effort. So if you want to see how I did these looks, then keep on watching. If you're always losing your hair ties or you can't find one when you need one, then this one is for you. First, you want to divide your hair into 3 sections and do a regular 3-strand braid. As you braid, you don't want to separate the hair at the bottom because the goal here is trying to create a knot to hold the hair in place so that you don't need an elastic band. When you start running out of hair to braid, on the last loop you want to keep the hole open and then flip that knot through, and this will secure the braid. Next, you can loosen the braid or tug on the edges to define it and give it some volume. And there you have it, a side braid without using a hair tie. Fishtail braids are so pretty, but if you have long hair, they can take a very long time to do, so here's another cheat. Tie your hair loosely into a ponytail, and right above the hair tie you want to create a hole and flip the ponytail through. If your hair is on the thinner side, gently tug on the edges to give it some volume, and then you want to create a hole on the left side of that twist, and then again flip your ponytail through. Now on the opposite side, you want to create a hole in the right twist, as you can see here, and make it big enough so that you can flip the ponytail through. Now you can stop here, but if you have long hair, you can probably make room for one more twist on the opposite side. So I'm just going to do one more. Next, you want to gently tug out some of the strands on the side to make the braid look bigger. And there you have it, a fishtail braid in less than a minute. Next is an easier way to do a 6-strand braid, so divide your hair in half and you're going to braid each side separately. Now instead of doing a regular 3-strand braid, you're going to do a reverse 3-strand braid. So you want to divide your hair into 3 sections, and then you bring the right side underneath. Then you want to bring the right side underneath. So you're basically braiding backwards. And the reason for this is that when you merge the 2 braids together, it's going to look like one solid uniform braid as opposed to 2 braids that have been put together. When you reach the end, tie it off with a hair tie and then grab a little tiny strand of hair, keep it aside, and then continue on the other side of your hair doing the exact same braid. Tie the second braid with a hair tie, and then you want to start stitching with that little strand that you left behind. Make a hole through the braid, pull the little strand through, and then on the other side, do the same thing, make a hole and pull it through. You want to stitch the 2 braids together all the way to the bottom and then tie them off with an elastic band again. Gently tug on the edge of your braid starting at the bottom to give it some more volume. So here's the completed look. This one is great for those who love big chunky braids. And this one is a cheat for the 4-sided box braid. You want to divide your hair into 3 sections, and then you're going to split one of the sections first, and then you're going to pull the middle strand through it. Now you want to do the same thing on the opposite side. So split it to create a hole and then pull the middle strand through. Back to the left side, you want to split it, create a hole, and pull the middle strand through. Then we go back to the right side, split it, create a hole, and pull the middle strand through. So you want to continue with this technique until you reach the bottom and then tie it off with a hair tie. Because I have dark hair, this might be a bit hard to see, but all the sides look braided, and from afar, this almost looks like a rope braid. This last one is also known as the bear braid, and there are many variations of it, but this one is my favorite. All you have to do is gather some hair to the front and divide them into 3 sections to start the braid off. Now you want to take the right strand and cross it behind. Then take the left strand and cross it behind. Now we're going to go back to the right strand, cross it behind, but this time you're going to pick up some hair and cross it behind as well. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side. So take the left strand and cross it behind the middle one, then pick up some hair and add it behind. And another way of doing it is just adding the hair to the right strand and crossing them both together at the same time, which is what I like to do. Do this braid halfway down your hair and then tie it off with a hair tie. Obviously, this is called a bear braid because it looks like you have a giant beard. Next, you want to place your hands behind the braid and flip it behind your head. When you turn around at the back, you'll have this relaxed French braid look. So I hope you guys enjoy all 5 of these braiding hair hacks. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can catch future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Ciao!